Introducing the Poly Studio Medium Room Kit for conference rooms. The Poly Studio USB delivers a premium audio and video experience that brings your meetings to life. The Poly Studio USB's 120-degree viewing angle ensures that everyone is seen and heard clearly. The Poly Studio USB supports Poly Director AI and smart camera framing, such as speaker framing and group framing. Everyone in the room is equally represented in every meeting. The camera tracking and framing technology complement the Microsoft Teams Rooms video features, such as gallery view and front row layout. The Studio USB's speakers fill the room with rich, clear sound, while noise-blocking technologies keep the unnecessary and distracting noises out of your meeting. Learn more about the Poly Studio USB and Studio Medium Room Kit by visiting poly.com.